Hello everyone! Today we'll show you how to replace BMW E30 MotoMeter odometer gears. If your BMW speedometer is showing speed but not counting mileage, the problem is almost always with broken gears inside. You can replace them by yourself very easily with a basic set of tools. We'll show you how in this video. The first step is to unscrew the front part of the cluster. While we're at it, we'll take out the speedometer screws as well. There are 13 screws in total, 9 of them securing the front side and 4 holding the speedometer. They are highlighted in the video. After you take them out, take off the front part and take out your speedometer. The speedometer has 2 screws for the plastic cover holding the gears in place. Unscrew them. Now you can see the broken gears that need replacing. Take out the broken pieces and remove any traces of dust and grease. When assembling the gears, make sure to follow the order in which we show it in the video, starting with the smallest gear and moving up by size. After all gears are in place, check if they are seated properly. Rotate the small white gear several times and check if the mileage counter is starting to move. Now, all we have to do is place the speedometer and the front part of the cluster back on and screw the screws back in. We hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to leave us a comment on what you'd like to see next. Drive safely and see you on the next one!